is the hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. It's a GM Equinox. It's the same body. This is basically the motor. This is a beauty cover, though. It covers up a lot of what's in there. These orange cables are the high voltage cables that go down to the battery traction engine, which goes to the wheels. And underneath the beauty cover is the stacks, which is what powers the vehicle. There's a huge radiator in the middle, and there's one on each side because the fuel cell engine needs a lot of heat dissipation. This is the exhaust right here. As you can see, zero emissions. It's a carbon fiber manifold, and the only thing that comes out is water, H2O. As you can see, there's no heat. You can touch this, it's safe. And it's 100% petroleum free. Alright, I'm going to start the hydrogen fuel cell vehicle now. It takes 5 or 6 seconds to start up because it actually has to compress the oxygen in, and it has to get the hydrogen to the stack so it can start working. As you can hear, it sounds way different. It has a nice interior, navigation, everything's like it normally would be in a car, but there's a computer hooked up in here with a keyboard so they can work on calibrations and all the other things. Right now the stacks are working, as you can see in the diagram. Right now they're going, but then if you want to save some hydrogen fuel, you press this button right here to go into economy mode, and then all of it runs off the battery, which is charging from the hydrogen fuel cell. As you can see, it stopped working in the stacks. This right here is the keyboard that controls a computer database system that is behind the screen right here. As you can see, I can pan through the screens and see all the data used for development purposes. Also, when you fill the car up at a hydrogen pump station, all the data is uploaded into the vehicle's computer, and you can see statistics and everything else that you would need to see to modify it and adjust it to make it better. Also, during the refill, some of the data that is uploaded on this computer is wirelessly sent to the internet for work at the GM fuel cell plant. As you can see, when the car is running slowly, it runs on just the battery power, and when the fuel cell starts working, you can see the hydrogen and the oxygen going into the stacks. As you can hear, there's really no sound from the vehicle whatsoever. It's an extremely smooth ride. There's no gear shifting. It's just a one-drive system, single speed. Also, when you're decelerating, the battery recharges, so you're not wasting any hydrogen when you shouldn't be. This may be the very future of cars as is, so you might want to start getting used to this. It's zero carbon emissions, battery, drivetrain, regenerative braking. It pretty much covers all aspects that we need to. No greenhouse gases, no petrol and fuel used.